friends. So today what we are going to do is we are going to draw a bunny. Okay, so let's see the supplies that we need. We need markers. We need half a sheet of paper. I have something to draw a circle with. So this is a cap from a bottle. So this can fit in like 3 fingers, almost 3 fingers. I'm not sure which one I'd be using. I have one that fits in 3 fingers. I have one that can fit in 2 fingers and there is some extra space. Okay, so once we start drawing, we'll figure it out. Okay, I also have something to practice draw and I need a pencil also. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is we are going to fold this paper like this. We are going to match, we're going to put it in the portrait style, match the left with the right side. Actually what we are doing right now is we are making some guidelines. Okay, now we're going to match this side with this side. Now you will be wondering, why can't we draw a line through the middle? But then we'll have to erase it. Sometimes we may draw the line like dark and then it will be difficult to erase that, right? So that's why we do this. Okay, so because this is a whiteboard and I can't fold it, I'm going to draw the lines that we just made by folding the paper. So there is one going through the middle of the paper this way, and this vertically and horizontally I have both those lines, right? Next what we're going to do is we are going to draw the circle. Okay, so the circle, what I'm going to do is where I'm going to keep is, it is just a little bit below this horizontal line. Okay, I'm going to leave like this much space there. I will tell you how much space you need to leave when you are drawing on the paper. So did I draw this away from the vertical line? No, I drew the circle on, it's like the middle of the circle is running through the vertical line, right? So that is there. Next, let me draw with this one, this color, you'll be able to see better, right? Next what we're going to do is we are going to make from here, I'm going to make almost like a C shape. It's almost C. You can draw the C this way, right? But not that much. We start from here and draw a part of a C like this, coming over to the circle. Same thing, this is a backwards C. So maybe let's check how much, where, so like 4 finger space on this side, right? So I'm putting my finger next to this line, 4 finger space, and I'm going to make this line. I'm going to make a backwards C, just like the one that we made. It doesn't have to be exactly, the C has to look exactly like this one. It's okay. Okay. Then next what we're going to do is I'm going to make a line over here. Okay, so it is in the middle of so there is like equal space. Can you see? In the middle of this vertical line, I do a line. Now I'm going to make a upside down. It's like I'm making a rainbow starting from here, passing through that dot and ending here. So far so good. I hope so. Now this is the line, right? I'm going to put a finger next to this line. I'm going to make a mark here. Then I'm going to put 2 fingers, make a mark. 1 finger, put a mark. 2 fingers, put another mark. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a curvy line like that. It's like or a V. You can turn this paper on the whiteboard this way and make a it's like a V, but a curvy V, or it can be a squished up U, whatever you think. So I'm going to put a dot here, like a line, maybe like that, and from here to here, a curvy line. I hope you guys are getting this right. Now, next thing what we're going to do is I'm going to make, so from here where this ears start, I'm going to make a curvy line like that all the way to the nose. Okay, curvy line from here to this nose. Let's make the eyes. So eyes are here. A little bit above the horizontal line. Okay, now let's make the nose. Okay, now the body. So far so good, right? So we have the bunny. Now all that we need to do is add texture to this and then add some thing to the background. That we'll do on the paper. So the drawing part is done. Okay, so now let's take the paper and try and do all these things that we did on the whiteboard or on your scrap paper, whichever thing that whatever thing you used, you had practiced right now. So let's put it like that. So I'm going to take the lid. I think this time I'm going to take this one. This one would be a little too big for the mouth. So the one that fits 2 fingers and a little bit of extra space. I'm going to put how much space? 2 fingers space below the horizontal line. So 2 finger space. I'm going to leave just 2 finger space, and then I'm going to put this on this vertical line, and then I'm going to trace a circle. So we have the circle. Next, from here, so you remember, I'm going to put, this is the middle line. I'm going to put it this way, 3 fingers, and from here, that's where I'm going to put a dot there, 3 fingers. This third finger, the first finger should be in line with this line, and then 1, 2, 3 here. I'm going to make a mark on the horizontal fold, and from here to here I'm going to make a C, partial C. Okay, this one. Okay. This is a little low. I'm going to make it a little up. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the middle from here to here. From here to here, find the middle, maybe, or a little bit below, so it is fine. Put a dot, okay, and from to here, I'm going to start making a rainbow. And this should touch this one, this point. The only thing is the rainbow should not be wider than the this part, the bottom part. Okay, it should not be a wide rainbow. It should be a narrower rainbow. Can you see that? Yeah, it is curving inwards, not curving outwards. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is this is the middle, this is the vertical line. Next to that, I'm putting my 1 finger here, 2 fingers like that, 1 finger, then I'm going to put 2 fingers, Okay, now remember how to make the ears. So from here I'm going to go all, it's like a, as we talked, it's like a V, but a little rounder V. That is done. From here to here, I'm going to make a, so maybe next to this is the middle line, the vertical line. Next to that, I'm putting one finger and putting a dot here. Next, I'm putting my finger next to this fold. I'm going to mark. From here to this, I'm going to make a curvy line. From this is the, not from here, from here. Okay. Now over here, it can go a little bit above the horizontal fold. I'm making an oval shape. You can make an oval shape or a circle, only a little bit above. This eye is a little closer. So here, you should leave the same space. I think almost one finger space. So okay, so we have the eyes. Now the nose. So the middle line here, it's like a, almost like a V or a U line, middle one line. Should it go a little bit longer? It's okay, maybe that's fine. I'm going to make a curvy line going this way and this way. We have the bunny. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take the black marker. You can take the black marker from your marker set and then outline the lines. So the eyes, I'm going to leave one area like a shines. So I'm not filling this completely in. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. This. Uh-oh. And here, this here is, I almost forgot. Okay, right here. And trace the pencil lines. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to take the pencil and then we are going to make some curvy lines like that. Divide that intersection. In between the lines, there should be like one finger space. So I'm just then here, putting my finger here where I'm starting. So it looks like it has. Okay, now on this side. It's like curving like that. Okay, so you don't have to use a ruler when you do this, but yeah, it doesn't have to be a straight line. It should not be a straight line, it should be a curvy line. Now here, the first line you don't have to worry. The second line onwards, you need to at least leave 1 finger space. Yeah. So then the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pencil itself, and I'm going to, or maybe you can use the marker. Let me, so we are going to just add texture to this. So we are going to mark lines like that. So this, it's like a pattern. You will leave the next one. Try to stay within the lines. Sometimes some lines may go out a little bit, that's fine. Okay, so then if you want, we can just make, maybe we leave this part plain. Okay, now we are going to erase off the pencil lines. Now for the background, what we're going to do is you can either take markers or crayons, and then I'm going to, it is springtime, so I'm going to use all the colors and make some patterns. Okay, I'm going to go with, but choose one design, and that is what you're going to use. Swirls. So one, and then I'm going to change the color. Maybe you can make the design like 3 or 4 times and then switch the color. Let's move to the next color. Why am I getting all the warm colors? I don't know. Okay. Can you guys see the yellow? Yellow is too light. Let me take I'm going to use these 2 colors. this, and then I'm going to stop because I'm running out of space. I don't want this to look overcrowded. Okay, I think I'm happy with the background. So I'm going to stop with this, and with that, we are done with our bunny lesson for today. Okay, should we add a whiskers to our bunny? Maybe. And with that, I think he is done, right? So what I want you guys to do is upload, take a picture of your finished work and upload onto Ziso or Clever, whatever your class uses. And I would also like to see how this bunny turned out. So email me your finished work with your name, room number, and grade along with your school name. So till we meet next time, bye-bye.